SketchUp for free in 2026. The web version explained. You don't need to install anything. SketchUp Free runs right in your browser. SketchUp for Web is a simplified, browser-based version of the desktop app. Just open your browser, launch the app, and start creating in 3 simple steps. Sign in with a Trimble ID to land directly in your 3D workspace. If you don't have one, you can create a free account in seconds with just an email. Model projects in 3D before you build. Plan precisely, save important views to your phone, and generate reference drawings to share with collaborators. Students can access SketchUp for Schools through their school credentials. For more power, SketchUp Go adds iPad support, Cloud Sync, and AR viewing. Open a browser, sign in, and start modeling, completely free. SketchUp for Web, 3D modeling, no installation required.